Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and the gentleman that I was helping on this video, so this is part two, said he had to take the fill out, and I always take the fill out when I'm doing this, because I'm going to cut this out, but you don't have to take the fill out. If you take the shape tool, the fill taken out is a lot easier because you can see the pieces that are joined and how well they're joined, but you don't have to take the fill out. If you do it in the right order, go to Object and break the Cooper apart, and then select it all. You see there's no weld tool because it's still a font. Go to Object and convert it to a curve, then your weld tools appear, and you can weld it. That is welded together. We'll take the fill away and add a red hairline, and you get the same result. I just find it's a lot easier because you can see kind of what you're doing better to me by taking the fill away and adding a hairline, and then getting your shape tool. And I wasn't going to do a video because this, but he really already figured it out. But like the R and the E are pretty good. But if we want, you can always select like the P and move it over. And then you could select the R and the E and move them over, because you want just a little bit of touching. If you get too much, then it won't look right. So we need to go to Object, break Cooper apart, select it all, go to Object, convert it to a curve, and then select it all and weld it. You get the same result. And like you can see right here that these two pieces aren't really touching, and that would be kind of a bad thing, possibly. So you could always take these nodes, especially if you're going to cut it out, it might be a little fragile. I would suggest selecting these three nodes and then moving them over just a little bit. And then instead of trying to weld it, I'm going to get the virtual segment delete key, and I'm just going to delete that line. And then, as always, take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and because that's going to seal it all together and put those nodes all together that you won't have any problems. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.